You're driving the train, little man?
Jed? Jed?
Jed. What do you see over there, bud? Can you get down? You're okay. Whoop! There you go, buddy. Wow. A little house with a kitchen.
Hey Jed, where are you?
Back to the train. Waiting for the conductor. I'm waiting for the conductor. Hi.
Jed? Jed! Look at that.
Yeah. Jed, what does the train say? Jed, what does the train say? Very good, sweetheart.